Alright, little Sponge Chrome Blaster number 3. First letter, first name. Any sketches or autos will go to the
It doesn't sit well with us. $1.7 trillion of your hard-earned
so the artist.
traditional bank accounts, collecting more dust than interest. So
Yeah, so whoever the voice actor of SpongeBob, so SpongeBob auto will go to, I think it's Tom Kenny, would go to the T spot. There are those like facsimile, however you say that word, SpongeBob autos that would go to that spot. Will go to the actual voice actor, and then any sketches will go to the artist. So if it's a sketch of SpongeBob, it goes to the first letter of the artist's first name. Let's see some Sponge love. Ooh, so orange out of the blaster first pack. Squiddly tentacles. Core G. This little Harold SquarePants. HC Bears. Ooh, little Captain Magma. That's sick. SpongeBob. I don't remember that one. Squidward. So 8 of 25 orange. First pack. Good start. It's by Core G. Very nice. Captain Magma was a superhero and Barnacle Boy temporarily became a supervillain. I don't remember that episode. That's sick. Well, 8 of 25. I say it, Corey. Tom. Little Mermaid Man. Little Bubble Buddy Refractor. The B spot, Corey. Squidward chokes on a fork for the S spot. It's Corey G, the Kelp Green. Poor Squid. Always getting into trouble. Little Tentacle Acres. A Bubble Buddy. Hop Along. Squidward. The Moon. A T spot, Curtis. Rusty Grail. Little Quickster. The saws are on the way. Firmly grasp it. Krusty Krab Pizza. I'll go to the T spots. The Krusty Krab Pizza. Curtis. So Doodle Dimension. The T spots. Helen the Felon. Interesting name. So the pioneers used to ride these babies from miles. Well, Sunny Shore Resorts, Kelp Green. So the S spot, Core G. It's not my wallet. Richard. No, I'm Dirty Dan. Pinhead Larry. Little Chum Bucket Reviews. Crispity Crunchities for the C spots. Bring it around. Look at Shark Face and Richard. Every box. Shark bait. Hoo-ha. Poop. People order our patties for the P spot. And Refractor. Not until 4. Over the N spot, J. I love this stuff, man. Love some SpongeBob. Hey, take an orange Refractor. Oh, good box. Is that number 3? It's in, get it fresh working. We still got a few blasters left. Oh, thanks for jumping in, everybody.